Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing themes on Xiaomi phones. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Using themes is a great way of customizing your phone. Start by opening the Settings app. If the Settings app isn't on your home screen, you can get to it via the app drawer. In Settings, select Themes. Here you can view the theme library and browse through different themes that you can use. Some of them are free and some are paid. Tap on a theme to get more info, then tap the free button to download it to your phone. Tap My Themes to see a list of themes already downloaded. Tap on a theme here to change to that theme. That theme is now active on your Xiaomi phone. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi and MIUI tips and tricks.